For most people, the sunset years are the best time of their lives. The uncertainties of the 20s are behind you. The feverish activities of the 30s are also in the past. You're now at a time and place where you are secure and happy with yourself. For those who have been chasing their careers for a long time, this is when you sit back and enjoy the fruits of all the hard work you did in the past. In short, this is not the time to be pulled back by the signs of aging. That is why many people consider starting anti-aging therapies like skin treatments and hormone replacements during this phase. They want to look and feel their best, and a little care can help them achieve this. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapies are the rage these days, and rightly so, because they have a host of benefits. What are bioidentical hormones? These are natural hormones that share a similar molecular structure with human hormones. Due to this, these hormones work almost exactly as human hormones and do not trigger any undesirable side effects. Top benefits of bioidentical hormones. 1. Their molecular and structural similarity means that they are easily accepted by the body. They also function more effectively when compared to their synthetic counterparts. There are no side effects associated with these hormones. 2. Since these substances are natural, they are metabolized more readily by the human body. 3. The doses of synthetic hormones are standardized because they are available in the form of pills. So, regardless of current hormone levels, each person has to take in the same dosage. In the case of bioidentical hormones, dosages may be adjusted to meet individual requirements. So, there is no fear of an overdose. 4. Since bioidentical hormone treatments are administered transdermally and not as pills, they are absorbed directly by the body. These patches are absorbed quickly by the skin without leaving a trace. They can easily skip the first process of metabolism that takes place in the liver. 5. Bioidentical hormones are administered in small doses so that they can bring about continuous hormonal balance in the body. Bioidenticals are similar in structure to man-made hormones, but they offer the effectiveness of synthesizes hormones. Due to these reasons, bioidentical hormone therapy is the most natural, safest and quickest option for those considering hormone replacement therapies. Hormone replacement therapy overcomes hormonal imbalances that lead to aging in men and women. When hormone levels dip, many essential bodily functions begin to suffer. This includes wrinkled, blotchy skin, falling energy levels, low metabolic rates, lack of vigor and vitality, and feelings of general malaise. Hormone replacement therapy is the most effective ways to replenish sinking hormone levels, and using bioidenticals is the best kind of hormone replacement therapies available. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, DocOnline, to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.